Which brawler's super is a healing wind? Sandy. What type of character is Rosa? Tank. Who can transform into a bear? Nita. Who is the default character when starting Brawl Stars? Shelly. Who has a super that knocks back enemies? Bull. In which mode do you score goals with a ball? Brawl Ball. What does Crow's poison attack do over time? Drain health.